Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I'm your class clown freshman Les Nessman. No, I'm Adam, your review guru, with a really fun one for you today. This comes to us from Jellycomb, and we got a big shout out and a thumbs up for the folks at Jellycomb. It isn't just fun to say, they have super awesome wireless technology products. And just as a side note, before we get started, go ahead and click the subscription button, and right next to it there's a bell. If you click the bell, you'll get notifications when we have new videos, so you can see our latest reviews for you. Alright folks, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. We have this, it's a super ultra thin wireless keyboard with mouse. Now I don't know, I'm going to ask these guys if they want me to go ahead and put an Amazon link, because they are on Amazon and they have a website as well. But I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Comes with Amazon Prime, so it's super cheap shipping. Now, first off, a nice aspect of this keyboard is it does come with a cover in case you're got sticky hands, you spill drinks on your keyboard. This will keep it protected. It's a very thin, lightweight material that you can keep on your keyboard. Now, I like to go without protection on my keyboard. So let's go ahead and take a look at it up close. Now you can see it actually has the number keys on it. I always like having those number pads, and a lot of wireless keyboards don't have that, just from a size perspective. It also has your up, down, left, right keys, all your home keys, all your shortcut keys. So for a very petite wireless keyboard, it has all that. Also 2.4 gigahertz wireless, which is pretty serious. You're not gonna have problems with whether it's latency or losing the connection. You're not gonna have any issues with this fine Jellycomb keyboard. Okay, so just to go over the basics here. Keyboard will use QWERTY, QWERTY layout. I don't know how to say that correctly. Go ahead and leave me a comment below. Ergonomic, palm fitting, comfortable grip. It does also come with this mouse, ergonomically designed, has the roller wheel and everything you could need there with a button. It's 2 AAA batteries. I like that actually, because a lot of wireless mouse only have 1 battery and they go dead too quickly, because I use them all the time. So having 2 batteries is a nice thing, and then it just has the little USB connection that stores in with the batteries when you're not using it. Let's see what else about this fine product. Perfect design for keystroke. It can reduce wrong input and press to be softer. Yeah, another aspect of this, it's a relatively quiet keyboard. See, I'm kind of just pressing the buttons now and you don't really hear it. Also, pretty silent mouse click. I noticed for me personally that a loud mouse when I'm doing microphone work or when there's people around me can get a little annoying. So the silent click, you want to click away from something, you don't want people to hear you. I'm pressing it right now, you don't hear it. Silent click is a huge advantage that I don't think people give enough notation of when they're doing reviews. So this is great for a wire-free desktop, minimalistic designed, simplistic, easy to use. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, folks. I'm Adam. Also, if you want a product review of your own, go ahead and email me, allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. I used to work with FameBit, not big fans of FameBit. FameBit gets a thumbs down for me right now. So if you have a product coming my way or you're interested in doing a product review, go ahead and email me. It's allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.